Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Melike of EnglishCentral. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the usage of am, is, and are. In order to understand how am, is, and are function, we need to know about the be. No, not the animal, but the verb be itself. Am, is, and are equal to be after all. They are just different versions of be that change according to the pronoun. In sentences without verbs, am, is, and are play the role of a glue. As an example, the apple is sweet. We glued the apple with the taste sweet. However, in sentences with verbs, it is likely that we use the verb in ing form. As an example, the child is sliding down the slide. Do you like our examples? You know where to find more. EnglishCentral has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app EnglishCentral to check out our educational materials. We also offer you one free lesson with our teachers so that you can try it out for yourself. For now, let's continue with the lesson. At this point, we are going to speed up a little. Let's start with am. Am is the easiest one because it only follows the pronoun I. For example, I am pretty or I am drinking tea. Yep, that's right. It's like am knows it's meant to be with I and no one else. But don't worry, it's harmless. Next up we have is. Is follows the pronouns he, she, it, and the names. For instance, she is reading a book or Carol is smart. Both sentences are correct. Oh, and remember, when we are using everyone, everybody, anyone, and anybody, we must use is. Don't hit the brakes now, or last one is are. It is a bit more social and loves to hang out with plural pronouns, such as they, we, and plural you. But even singular you gets the are. See the examples. We are going to the party and they are hungry. Let's sum it all up before we end this video. Am follows the pronoun I. Is follows the pronouns he, she, and it. And lastly, are follows the pronouns you, they, and we. If we are going to use am, is, or are in our sentence, we need to be mindful of the verbs in the sentence. The verbs following the am, is, are comes in ing form. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click the link below and visit our website EnglishCentral.com to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, bye-bye.